Welcome to chapter of my grammar series. Today we are focusing on the correct use of the words to and very. While both are intensifiers, they are not interchangeable. Many learners misuse to when they actually mean very. Let's learn the difference through clear examples. The word very is used to show a high degree, but it's neutral or positive. For example, very good or very tall. To, on the other hand, implies something is excessive or undesirable. For example, too hot means unbearably hot. Very is commonly used with adjectives and adverbs to intensify them positively. It expresses emphasis without suggesting something is unacceptable. To shows that the degree is excessive and causes a problem. If someone is too tired, they can't function properly. If it's too cold, it's not suitable to go out. Be careful not to use to when you actually mean very. Saying too happy implies a problem with being happy, which is not usually what we intend. To is often followed by to plus verb to show that something cannot be done because of an extreme condition. For example, too young to vote means not old enough to vote. To recap, use very when you want to strongly describe something, and use to when the level is more than what's good or acceptable. Also remember, to is often followed by a verb in the infinitive. Thanks for joining this lesson. Up next we'll look at the difference between no and not, another area of confusion for learners. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.